ka, halimbawa, pero hindi ka naman siniseryoso. I'll go to the point of the US and China, the ping-pong diplomacy. That's fine. But you know, China and the United States of America are on equal footing. They're both superpowers. This is the Philippines and China. Maliit na bayan. Hindi tayo siniseryoso. Nakikipag-usap tayo, pero patuloy naman ang kanilang pag-build ng mga structures sa West Philippine Sea. So how do you continue diplomacy?
I think that we must engage. There is no other way. Anong ibang mga solusyon? Sasabihin natin, yung United States, pumasok uli kayo dito sa Pilipinas, kayo mag-defend sa atin. Eh, hindi na pwede yun. Hindi na, kasi kung minsan...
Pero malaki ang interest nila sa South China Sea.
Malaki talaga ang interest sila sa South China Sea.
That's about over $5 trillion that pass through.
But we have to get past the old thinking ng Cold War na meron tinatawag na spheres of influence.
Yeah.
Bawat bansa namimili sa US kami, sa Soviet Union kami. Hindi na ganun ngayon. Ang iisipin lang natin, ano yung mabuti para sa Pilipinas? We continue to engage. Of course, we have a very strong traditional, institutional relationship, special relationship with the United States.
Did you say you would invite the United States to get involved and help us?
No. That is the problem is between China and us.
So the United States should be out.
If the Americans come in, it's bound to fail. If the Americans come in, it's bound to fail. Because you're putting the two